Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's see the objectives of today's video. In today's video, we are going to see how to make a table extendable, how to extend a table, and what is the reason to extend a table. Let's begin with what is the reason to extend a table. Why we need to extend a table, what is the requirement of it, what is the benefit of it. Okay. So the reason to extend a table is that imagine if you are creating a new table which contains a lots of number of fields and complex configurations. But you came to know that there is an existing table which has common fields and common configurations as per your requirements in new table. So instead of creating new table and manually adding fields and configurations, what you can do is that you can extend an existing table. Okay, and this will automatically gives all the features of existing table into your new table. No manual work is required after this, because you will get all the fields and configurations of existing table into your new table. Okay, in this manner you are reusing the functionality of existing table into your new table, and this is saving you a lot of amount of time. Why? You can imagine creating a lot of number of fields and configurations which are complex. It will take a lot of amount of time to create it, but with the functionality of extending a table, you will get it immediately. If your existing table has the same functionality, but if there is a requirement that there is an additional requirement in your new table, you can definitely create your additional configurations of fields according to your requirement. But to save your time, you can use the existing table which has the common fields and common configurations into your new table. So the benefit of extending a table is that no manual work. You're going to get all the configurations, all the features of existing table into your new table automatically, and it's going to save your time. Now let's see the demo of it. So in the demo, what we are going to do is that we are going to create two tables, that is employee table and manager table. In employee table, we are going to have three fields: employee ID, name, and department. In manager table also, we are going to have employee ID, name, and department. But these three fields will be coming from employee table, because manager will have employee ID, name, and department. Okay, but these three fields will be coming from employee table, not from manager table. And additionally, we are going to have two more fields in manager table which is not part of employee table, that is team size and leadership label. Now let's begin the demo of it. In your personal developer instance, click on all navigation menu, and in the filter navigator type sys underscore db underscore object dot list in capitals. It's going to open list of tables in new tab. Click on new button. Label will be employee. Okay, name will be auto populated. Name will start with u underscore employee. Why this is starting with u underscore employee? To know this, you can watch the video how to create a table in global and scoped applications. Okay, now we are going to save this form. Right click on the header and click on save. After this, we are going to create columns of this table. Columns will be employee ID, name, and department. So let's quickly create all these three columns. Click on new button. Here type will be string, employee ID, max length will be 20, submit. Next field will be name, type will be string, Label will be name. Max length will be 20. Click on submit. Similarly, for department, type will be string. Label will be department. Maximum length will be 20. Submit. Okay. Employee table is ready, and we have created name, employee ID, department columns also. Now let's create manager table. Okay, but manager table is going to extend employee table. So click on all navigation menu. In the filter navigator, type sys underscore db underscore object dot list in capitals. Click on new button. Label will be manager. Okay, and here you see extends table. So this field you have to populate to make manager table extend employee table. So let's populate employee table here. Okay, table label is employee. Why there is no table of employee? Because by default your table will not be available to be extended if you don't make a change in your table. So now we are going to see how to make a table extendable. Okay, all you have to do is that go to controls and you will see a checkbox of extensible. Check on it and save. Okay, as soon as you save it, now your employee table can be extended. Okay, in this manner you're going to make a table extendable. Okay, now if we go back to manager table and try it again, let's see employee. Now you can see your employee table is available and it can be extended. We are going to select this, and once we save this, you can see we have columns: name, employee ID, department. Right now we have not created any columns in manager table. As we have seen here that employee ID, name and department will be coming from employee table. So we have extended employee table and we are getting its fields or columns in manager table. We don't have to create it manually. It is automatically updated. And for to check it from where these fields are coming, all you can do is that personalized list, click on this gear icon, and here bring a column that is called table. Click OK. And here you can see that all these fields are coming from employee table. Okay, name, employee ID, department, and these fields also, which are system generated, which are already generated in employee table when you have created employee table. Okay, now we are going to add two fields which are part of manager table, that is team size and leadership level. So let's quickly do that. Click on new button. Type will be string. It will be team size. Maximum length 20. Submit. Next will be click on new button. Type will be string. Label will be leadership label. Leadership label. Okay. Max length will be 20. Click on submit. Okay. So we have created these two columns or fields in manager table, team size and leadership label. Now if we scroll down, we can see team size and leadership are belonging to manager table, and name, employee ID and department are belonging to employee table. Okay. So you can imagine if you have lots of number of fields and complex configurations, how this functionality of extending a table is going to help you. Okay, so this is the end of the video, and we have seen how to make a table extendable, how to extend the table, and what is the reason to extend the table. Okay, we have covered all the objectives of today's video. Okay, so if you like this video, do share the videos with others. Subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.